In today's video, we are going to make a Bluetooth speaker. It will be two channel. Each channel is 15 watt, and it will be very easy to make. It will be very nice, very beautiful Bluetooth speaker. So let me show you the materials that we are going to use to make our Bluetooth speaker. As you see, I have some PCB sheets here. I just cut out them according to my size for my Bluetooth speaker. So I'm going to use this PCB sheets, and I have two speaker here. Each of them are 4 ohm and 15 watt identical speaker, two identical speakers. So I'm going to use these speakers, and also I have a amplifier module and Bluetooth module here. As you see, this amplifier module is very nice amplifier module because it has a Bluetooth module inside it, so you don't have to use another Bluetooth module. So it works with range between 8 volts to 24 volts. So you can, I'm going in for this project, I'm going to use 16 volt, and as you see, it's very easy to use. There are some pins here for power input and for speakers output, and also, as I said, it has a Bluetooth module inside it. So I highly recommend you to use these kinds of amplifier module for your Bluetooth speakers. And I am going to use this 16 volt 4 cells 16 volt lithium battery pack. If you want to make this kind of battery pack with balanced charging, there's a link over here. You can click that link, and I have a video in my channel. You can also watch that video to make this kind of battery pack. So let's start to make our project, my friends. I am going to use this wooden brown leather to cover my speaker. So now I am going to just cover. Now I am going to place my speakers. One of them is here and the other one is here. I'm just going to place the speakers. Okay, my friends, we just placed our speakers to our PCB sheet. Now we are going to cover the other case with, again, with the same leather material. Now I'm going to just cover this one. Okay, my friends, we just covered our case with the leather. Now I am going to place my homemade passive radiator to here. It will increase the bass of our Bluetooth speaker. I'm just going to put my passive radiator here, my friends. Okay, my friends, we just placed our passive radiator. As you see, passive radiator is working very well. It's homemade passive radiator. Now I am going to place my on-off switch and the charging input. I'm going to seal them with hot glue very, very well, my friends. Okay, my friend, as you see, by using a lot of hot glue, we just sealed them very well into the box. Now I'm going to put the amplifier module and my battery pack into the box, my friends. Now, as the last step, I'm going to connect my speakers to my Bluetooth amplifier and then just close my case and finish our project, my friends. Okay, my friends, we connect everything. Now make a quick test. As you see, everything is working very well. Now I'm going to just close my case, my friends. Okay, my friends, our Bluetooth speaker is completed. As you see, it's very nice, very beautiful Bluetooth speaker. Now we are going to test it, but I'm going to let it to dry a little bit. After that, I'm going to make some test on my Bluetooth speaker. Okay, this is the final product. As you see, it looks very nice, very beautiful. Now, when I we are going to test the airtight of the case. When I uh, push the pass radiator, as you see, the speaker just move back and forward, so it means that our enclosure is very good. Our case is just completely airtight. Now I am going to test my speaker, my friends. I need to find the music that doesn't have copyright, so I'm going to open the YouTube library. The sound level is 20%. I think that's fine. I'm increased the voice.